Hey, this is George from InMotion Auto, and in this video I'm gonna do a quick walk around this parts car that we got a couple weeks ago. This is a 2013 model RS5, Audi RS5, and the color is Sepang blue. Really nice color, one of my favorites. Interior is in good shape, but not in perfect shape. So as you can see, it has all the airbags intact, it has all the seat belts are working, which is great because on Audi cars, if one airbag blows, all the seat belts blow, and that's such a hassle to change and replace. Honestly, I feel like, I don't know, I wish only one seat belt would blow, like for driver, but I don't know. The way Audi did it is all seat belts blow in case one airbag, at least one airbag blows. So, car comes with carbon fiber trim. This trim actually comes, I want to say standard, but I'm not sure. Maybe some of them come with aluminum trims, but I think RS5s all come with this trim. And this is specifically for RS5. A lot of people mistake them for S5 carbon fiber trim, and although they look really similar, or to somebody who doesn't know, they look exactly the same, these are not the same trim. These are like bigger, larger weave carbon fiber in specifically RS5 models. Another cool item from a RS5 model is the steering wheel, which is thicker than S5 or S4, and it's done with, wrapped in air leather, perforated leather, and it just looks really nice. It gives a really nice touch to the car, especially when you're sitting inside. This is the thing that you're looking at always. And I think steering wheels are important in cars, just in general. So obviously the speedometer is gonna be the RS black, specifically like their RS style. It does come with packages like Bang & Olufsen, the technology package, or I'm not sure what the package is called specifically, but it comes with like navigation and backup camera, sensors, parking sensors for front and rear, 3-zone climate control. And this car, actually, I just noticed, it comes with the rear sunshade, which is an option even on RS5 cars. You can't really see it, but I spotted a button right there on the so if you want to take a look here, yeah, right here, this button right here is the rear. Did you get it? Okay, so right here you press that button, and okay, let's test the rear sunshade. Okay, ignition on, and it's moving up. Okay, let's test the rear sunshade. Works good. These seats are similar, or actually the same as S5, except they have like these tubing on the side that is gray, and RS5 embroidered inside, or I don't know what you call this thing, but yeah, it just says RS5 on the seat. Unfortunately, somebody put wheels in here inside of the seats and completely ruined the seat. Not just this one, there's back seats that are ruined as well, which kind of sucks. And you can't even see this kind of stuff at the auction. So when you buy a car, it's like hit or miss. Sometimes you will get really good shape and really nice seats, and sometimes you just get something like this, which happens. But maybe it would be like a nice package or seat, nice seats for somebody who wants to wrap them in something different. And yeah, let's see what else we have here. We have drive select. This does not come with there's this option where you have adjusting dampening, and this does not have that option. It just has regular damping. Heated seats, navigation, push start button, car starts and drives. It does leak a little bit of oil because of the coolant. There's a leak in the hose to the front oil cooler. Let's check out. The radio works. It's always good to check everything. When we get the cars here, we always check everything. We actually not only do physical or in-person check, but we actually also plug in the VAGCOM and read all the codes that the car came with and see if there's any issues with engine, transmission, or any other components that the car came with. So if you can check the speedometer here, you will see that you can get in. You can see that there is no problem with airbags and no problem with steering. Sometimes, or a lot of times, these cars are so sensitive to the accidents that the steering column will go bad or airbags will blow. These are the first, or like really common things that happen to these cars. So fortunately, in this case, the steering column is good, all airbags are good, and my heated seats are working properly. I can feel them. And we have, I think that's it from the inside. Let's go outside and check it out. All right. So up front, we have a big damage here, but it's all good. It's not like that bad. It's fixable, as we say. Frame damage is right here, and it's really small. This car definitely could be repaired. This right here is really easy and simple to repair. And we have some connector damages here that's really usual, or that's what happens when the car has front end damage. All the radiators, of course, are damaged. Reinforcement bar is damaged. This is the leak that I was telling you about. Some oil leak from hoses that connect to the oil cooler. And this pump is making a lot of noise. We just need to unplug it. Fix the problem. Okay, on this side we have a good headlight. As you can see, it's working. This car comes with AFS option, which is adaptive and curving option, so the lights will go up and down and side to side as you go over the hills, down the hills, and once you turn your wheel left to right, your headlights will follow the trajectory of your car. Fender here is mostly good, except there is some damage here in this corner due to the hood being open, and since it was shifted, the corner of the hood was penetrating this fender here, and it caused some damage, which is also repairable. Not ideal, but it's not that bad. This corner here. This is aluminum fender, and it's a wide body fender. It doesn't fit S5 or A5, only fits RS5 models. Same thing with the rear quarter panels. These quarter panels are wide body. If you're down to do like a wide body conversion on your S5 or A5, let me know, we'll help you out. Or maybe you can just buy the whole shell from us. This car came with no wheels, but we had some wheels that we threw on it just temporarily, so you can see like the offset is really really bad. These are 18s and the car originally comes with 20s. Also, front brakes are upgraded to ECS tuning. These are, I don't know how big they are, but they're wave ECS tuning 2-piece wave rotors. And they do have stainless steel lines as well from ECS tuning. So it's a nice package. I really like these brakes. This is a really famous upgrade for your S4, S5 cars, even A4, A5 if you're planning on looking good with those brakes or tracking a car potentially. For the proper use, I think you do need to change the brake booster to make the brakes work properly as they should. But if you're going to just roll on the streets without like actually needing to use all the brake power, you don't need the brake booster, and you can just, it's a bolt-on swap. As you can see, this car has a really nice gloss black tips for the exhaust, which is a sign that this car came with sport exhaust. The diffuser looks good. The bumper looks in decent shape. There is some damage here, but nothing major. This is just some scratches. Trunk lid is a retractable. It has a retractable spoiler in it, and the trunk lid is actually already sold. LED taillights. A lot of people do a conversion from a B8 to B8.5. If you need help with that, let me know. We can hook you up with like a full set with even the connectors, pigtails, whatever you want to call those. And I think that's pretty much it. If you guys need any parts, if you have any ideas for videos that you would like to see, let me know in comments. And until then, see you next time.